everyone, and welcome to Playlist Live Day 2. So, I just woke up around 10:30. We went to bed at like 6 a.m. again last night. I woke up at 10:30, got all ready. Everyone else in the room is still sleeping. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get up and actually do something rather than sleep, because, you know, whatever. Yeah, it's now 11. And there's like random panels and stuff. I'm not gonna go to any of them. I'm just gonna meet up with friends probably and talk to people. And yeah, so I'm gonna catch you guys in a second. There's a crowd over there of people. I don't really know who that is, but.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah,
Can I be in your vlog?
Yeah, say hi. Hi. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go, I guess, down here. This is where like the panels are and stuff like that. So similar to VidCon, this is where all the panels are, workshops, meetups, groups and stuff for people to come together and talk. They're all in these rooms. And yeah, I think it extends really far down now. Yeah, there's like a meetup right there. I don't know. Those are just meetups. So I'm just walking and I somehow managed to go, I don't know where I am right now, but I was just walking and I took an elevator, and then now I don't think this is anything. The pan. Okay, guys, so oh, that lighting is bad. Here we go. So we're just getting some acai bowls right now. I met you two in DC.
Yes.
And yeah, I don't know, you guys are so nice, and I love hanging out with you guys. Yeah. Woo, just got an acai bowl. Looks bomb.
What are they doing?
Backflips and stuff.
Oh,
Hi.
you're filming? Hi.
Yeah, just say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Nice. When you're not famous.
Are you?
Dylan's just taking pictures, signing autographs.
Hey, put me in your vlog.
Okay, hi.
Hey, vlog. Bye, vlog.
Bye. Hey, cutie. Bye. Hey guys, so I never did like an outfit of the day for day 2 of playlist. So I basically just got this shirt at H&M, these pants at H&M, Adidas shoes, and I just wanted to really quick show that because I actually really like these a lot. And this shirt, so yeah. Alright guys, sorry I haven't been vlogging that much. We've just been like walking around, not doing like interesting stuff, so I wasn't really recording it. But I'll just record when I do some interesting stuff. They wanted to be in my vlog.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, so we're at the pool party right now. Just checking it out. Look over here. Hi. Hi. Holy shit, this is crazy.
Everybody!
I love Cardi B. Hey guys, so I just wanted to head up to my room, change my battery, and just show you guys the view from above of the party. This is our room is lit up in red right now, but look. Wow. Wait guys, look at this room. They literally lit the room up. Look at that. That is insane. Just a casual party. And then if you look up here, that's our room with all these lights. Isn't that great? That's our room right there. Wow. Say hi. Oh, bye.
Hi.
Sorry. Oh, look at that. They'll sit.
Be like a bus. I know I hate it.
Holy shit, guys. I'm just getting back from the creator party. Oh my god, that was insane.
You know the words, I want to hear you sing them. You know how I like it when you love. Let me hear it, girl, come on.
All the ladies in the place, make some noise!
Where you at, ladies? Yo, fellas, let me see. You said, everybody. Come on.
Housekeeping, bitches. Alright, now officially go
Oh
bed.
my God.
So fuck you.
I'll explain what happened probably tomorrow, so you guys are gonna have to find out. But that was insane. That was the most fun time I've ever had at an event or at a party. It was so much fun. I'm so glad I got in. Oh my god, that was insane. Okay guys, it's the next day, but that was a crazy party. I'm gonna insert all my Snapchats from the party because I didn't really like whip out my camera and vlog. But, I don't know, it was still really fun. And yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog right now. So make sure you guys please like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.